Hello, this is Kathy Minduck, your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and we are in my fridge. Ever clean out your fridge and find like something that spilled and it's totally stuck on there? We're going to use that envirosponge, just wet with water. And you can see how that is lightening that up already. It is really stuck on, probably something sweet in here, but just a little scrubbing and you're gonna get that all off. And even up against the edge, just press that little corner in there a little bit more. And it is all gone. Check that out. I'll take it in there a little bit more. Check that out. It's all gone. That's the envirosponge on cleaning your fridge.